Good morning, children. Here I am, your science teacher, welcoming you all to the science class. Hope you all are fine and safe. We are going to start with the new chapter for this academic year, and the name of the chapter is Reproduction in Animals. Let's go through the topics which we are going to learn today. In this chapter, I will discuss in detail about reproduction by giving birth, importance of reproduction, lifespan of living things, about mammals, and care of young ones. Dear students, you are the babies of your father and mother. Your mother gave birth to you. Like human beings, animals also give birth to their babies. Children, you must have seen puppies in your neighborhood. You might have also seen kittens. Let's see babies of some animals. This is a puppy. A puppy is the baby of a dog. A puppy looks like a dog. This is a kitten. A kitten is the baby of a cat. A kitten also looks like a cat. A cub is a baby of a lion. Likewise, this is a lamb. A lamb is the baby of a sheep. You too were a little cute baby when you were born, weren't you? Children, you must be curious to know, where do all these babies come from? All living things have the ability to reproduce. All plants and animals around us are living things. Animals reproduce to form more of their own kind. Living things like dogs, cats, cows produce babies like themselves. So, for life to go on, living things give birth to their young ones. So, children, now you have understood what is reproduction. So, reproduction is the process by which living beings produce more of their own kind. Children, can you tell me why is reproduction so important? We all know no one lives in this world forever. Whosoever is born has to die. So life has to continue on earth. If reproduction stops, life will also stop. Each living being has a lifespan. They die when their lifespan is completed. So children, do you know what is lifespan? All living beings live for a certain period of time called their lifespan. Different animals have different lifespan. They die when their lifespan is completed. Some living beings live for a short period of time, while some can live for many years. For example, an elephant lives for about 100 years, so its lifespan is 100 years. Similarly, lifespan of a dog is 15 years. Can you imagine what will happen if animals stop reproducing? the whole living world would come to an end. Reproduction not only helps in survival but also ensures the continuity of life. Therefore, to make sure that there are enough animals of their own kind and they do not die out completely, all animals must reproduce. Children, do you know how animals reproduce? Animals reproduce in many ways. Some lay eggs that hatch out into young ones, others give birth to their babies. Let's talk about animals who give birth to their babies. Some animals give birth to their babies and take care of them. These animals are called mammals. Cow, goat, horse, lion, and human beings are all mammals. Some important characteristics of mammals are the only animals which give birth to their own young ones. When babies are born, mother looks after them, feeds them with her milk and protect them until they can take care of themselves. Dogs, lions, whales, elephants, and human beings are some examples of mammals. Most of the mammals live on land, but some mammals live in water. They are called aquatic mammals. For example, whales and dolphins. Here are some examples of animals that take care of their young ones for a brief period after their birth. Mammals feed their young ones with their own milk. Birds feed their young ones until they can fly out of the nest to find their own food. Mammals stay around their babies to protect them from other animals or enemies. Mammals clean the bodies of their young ones and keep them warm. Let's see some examples of love and bonding between animals and their young ones. Baby dolphins stay close to their mother for up to 5 years. Kangaroos carry their own young ones in their pouches from birth till they don't fit into it. Elephants stay in their herds to protect their young ones and the cubs. Let's recap the important points that we have learned in today's class. All living beings live for a certain period of time called their lifespan. All animals reproduce. They either lay eggs or give birth to their babies. The process by which living beings produce more of own kind is called reproduction. Mammals reproduce young ones by giving birth to their babies. Animals that give birth to young ones and feed them with their own milk are called mammals. Animals such as birds, frogs, fish, insects, and reptiles lay eggs. Thank you, children. Take a very good care of yourselves.